YouTube. This is my beginning of my new project, a blizzard leopard gecko, and it's feeding time. Haven't had a name for it. If y'all would leave comments below and suggest names for me, that'd be good. But yeah, just got her yesterday. I don't stress her out, so I'm feeding her right now. Here the crickets. Here go her. It's not that big though. Really not that big. Hopefully she can get one. I got a tamer. She's little. She's little fidgety when I pick her up, whatever. But it's all good. Should be tame. I'm looking for something that'd get a good morph with a blizzard. But yeah, here she is. Hopefully I can get one before I shut this video off. Yeah, by the way, my scorpion is doing good. I actually bought another one, so I have 2 scorpions now, emperor scorpions. They're actually doing good. They got a calcium with D3. Maybe she'll get that one. Hopefully. Let's see. Oh, she missed. She missed. Maybe she'll get that one. Oh, she missed again. Come on. Come on. Maybe she'll get this one. Yeah. Here's the blizzard. Like, it's kind of yellowish on the side. There's one stripe down its back, but you really can't see it. But be updating her to hopefully she can get it. You can't catch him. I know you could catch these. I know you can. But yeah, I'm gonna cut this video short because she acts like she don't want to eat them or catch them. So yeah, please comment, rate, and subscribe. I'll keep updates on the leopard gecko. Right now, I think she's about like 15 grams. So peace.